In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your Twitch account in OBS Studio 2026, read chat, and change stream title in OBS. First, open OBS Studio and head to Settings. You'll find this in the lower right corner of the main window. In Settings, click the Stream tab on the left. Here, set the service to Twitch. This tells OBS which platform to connect to and unlocks Twitch-specific features like live chat data and stream information inside OBS. Next, click Connect Account. A browser window will open so you can sign in to your Twitch account. Follow the prompts and confirm the connection so OBS is allowed to access your channel. After you authorize, you'll be returned to OBS with your account linked. From here, OBS can pull live data from Twitch. This is also where you can update your stream title and category directly in OBS before you go live, so your audience always sees the correct information the moment your stream starts. Now let's get your chat on screen using a browser-based widget. Go to Streamlabs and open the chat box widget. In that page, locate the widget URL. You can customize the look before you copy it. Choose themes, enable or disable background, tweak colors, and set filters so only the messages you want appear. When it looks right, copy the widget URL. Treat this link like a private key for your overlay. Keep it to yourself. Back in OBS, look at the Sources panel for your scene. Click the plus button and choose Browser. Give it a clear name like chat, then paste your widget URL into the URL field. Set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080, or match whatever your OBS canvas is set to. This ensures the overlay scales predictably. Click OK and you'll see the chat layer appear in your preview. You can move and resize it to fit your layout, or crop it if you only want it in a corner. If you want to refine the text size, font, or colors, make those changes on the Streamlabs site. You can also do similar styling in Stream Elements if that's your preference. Any updates you save there will refresh in OBS automatically through the same browser source. At this point, your Twitch account is connected to OBS, your stream information can be edited from within OBS, and your on-screen chat is ready to go. Before you start streaming, double-check your scene, confirm your title and category, and do a quick test recording to verify that the chat looks clean. Then you're all set to go live.